so this storm did me pretty dirty. There are all these trees around this place. I had to move everything to the center of the room and everything out of my bedroom. That's the patch of the ceiling that fell in. And my computer and desk area was over here for the moment while I was working on all these bikes. Because I bought this motorized bicycle and I'm building another motorized bicycle. And tree poked that really nice hole right there, and it let in a whole ton of water while the storm was going high, Hurricane Sally. And I'm living in Pensacola now because that's where I could find a place that was cheap enough for me to lease or rent. So I moved from Fort Walton Beach to Pensacola. I spent all of my money leasing this place and buying a few pieces of furniture, which are stacked over here now. The nicer one on top of the one that's not as nice, but it's still pretty cool, which I plan on restacking that, but I haven't had the chance because I've been picking up all types of tools and stuff I had out from working on bicycles and all kinds of stuff I've been doing, and I've been working 60-hour weeks, or at least one 60-hour week, and any overtime I could get my hands on besides that. This was my bedroom, and I know I should probably be more upbeat and everything, but it's pretty depressing for me. I thought I was going to have some stability going. I wasn't wanting to post up drama videos, and I've had a whole bunch of my viewers email me and call me one time, maybe twice, and send me messages through Facebook and comment on older videos. Now this roof is not near as bad. And they're all wondering what's going on with my life and why I'm not posting any videos. And I was trying to get to a stable situation so I could make some good content for you guys, and I was not wanting to do a bunch of drama, and it always seems like I'm always dealing with one stressful thing after another, and I solved some problems and got some issues out of the way and had to move to Pensacola and got a raise in the midst of moving because I moved to a store where the pay rate is higher. So in between like 4 months, 5 months maybe, more like 4 months, I went from making $9 an hour to making $13.25 an hour, which I can barely survive off $13.25 an hour and the lease of this place. But now, because I had to move all the stuff out of my bedroom, I have the other bedroom all stacked up with all of my other stuff that I don't have any furniture or shelving or anything to put in yet. I now have everything on tables and the bed and my dresser out here, and I'm hoping that the rain stops for a while and maybe I can find a place to get some tarps. I'm supposed to be at work right now to working a 12-hour shift, and Waffle House wants to always be open. I'm not sure if they're open or not, but I know that I can't do much with this rain like this. I can't do a whole lot. With my house like this, I can't do a whole lot. I need to figure something out. Maybe I need to put all my stuff on the bus, whatever I can, pack it all up. Most of it's still in boxes. I'm not sure what I need to do. I need to get the roof fixed, but that's not me. That's the person that owns a house, and the carpet that's freaking drenched. I'm trying to protect it, but there's not much I can do besides the buckets and stuff that I put down, which I don't think I actually showed you guys that. Of course, when everything started leaking, instead of just letting it leak everywhere, which of course there is some leaking around. Sorry about the focus. Focus, camera. So there's some leaking that the carpet got. But I've been using these buckets and catching as much as I can. And I just drained the ones in the other room before I started this video. This is actually the second video. The first time I did it, for some reason, the audio didn't get recorded. So I've been trying to catch it, but this one's just sort of gone. And I haven't seen what may cause the damage on this side of the roof yet either. Because I'm a little bit scared to be outside much, because this place is surrounded by these big oak trees. And tree limbs are falling everywhere. But it was obviously a limb off of that. It's probably that one. That's probably the limb that caused the... The yard is dragging. Get back in my driveway. So, it's really calm right now, but last night, man, I'm in Pensacola, and last night this storm was kicking crazy hard. It was just non-stop downpour. It was sheets of water in front of the door anytime I would open it. And this house, I think it might be built of brick. It has asbestos siding on the back side. On the front, it has some wood covering. I don't know. I know this. I couldn't hear the storm barely going at all until I started having limbs hitting the roof, and it sounded like bombs going off. But I mean, look at the size of some of these limbs. Nothing huge, and that's basically a tree. And that tree is basically 3 trees thrown into one tree, or 1 tree split into 3 trees. And that one came down and cracked the roof. My house did not fare very well. And it looks like the neighbor's house across the street might not have fared very well either. Plus the other houses look a bit newer. No, I see huge trees down in other neighbors' yards, actually. Look at the size of that tree right there. That tree trunk. Yeah, so Sally got me good, man. I like my job. My boss likes me. I don't want to have to move again. I hope the owner of this place can figure this out real quick. I sure do hope so. Anyways, there's an update for you guys, because I still need to move some stuff. I can save stuff better if I put it in my bus. And this is the low time. I really shouldn't be moving stuff yet, but I don't know. I'm worried about water damage. I should probably just hold off for a while, hope for the winds die down, because it's the tree limbs coming down that are really deadly right now. In my yard, at least, because as you can tell, there's tree limbs everywhere, and I'm surrounded by giant oak trees and big pine trees, and stuff is just falling off them all over the neighborhood. Man, what a day. What a way to wake up, I tell you what. This is my first hurricane, but it's actually the first hurricane where I've had this sort of stuff happen to me, so it sucks. I love you for watching. There's an update for all y'all that were asking, because I'm probably not going to be putting out another video real soon. I mean, I really didn't want to do these kind of drama videos, but it feels like that's all my life is consisted of right now, is work and building motorized bicycles and drama. I just can't seem to avoid it.
Anyways, love you for watching. Peace.